How to add Passkey on Amazon. So if you want to add Passkey on your Amazon, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Amazon application. After opening your Amazon, you need to go with the profile, which is here on the bottom. Once you tap on your profile, you'll have the account section on the top. You need to tap on the account. And from the account on the bottom, you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of login and security section under your account settings. So go with the account settings, and under your account settings, go with login and security. Now here, if you scroll down, you'll find the Passkey option. Under Passkey, if you want to add a Passkey, you need to go with add, which will be on the right side. In my case, I've already added, but if you've not added, you will have add option, or you can also just go with edit and then edit your Passkey or add your Passkey. Go with add a Passkey, which is here in the middle of your screen. Once you tap on it, select the account or select the device from which you would like to add your Passkey, and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Proceed with the verification process, and in this way you'll be able to add Passkey on your Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.